3, 2, 1, and away we go. They're playing for one more spot in the championship round.